Hi all, welcome to our channel. This is regarding for robo.txt file. Still people are confusing what is the robo.txt file SEO, major search engine indexing keyword purpose. If it's allow for the URL, the search engine when people will be searched by keyword, it will show your web link into the Google search results. When people search keyword, suppose that link will be disallowed by keyword. We can't show by the search engine option. Then mail will be crawling the web URL. Robots, crawl, spider, etc. recognize with the same. This crawler indexed our website in their search engines database. Here, a lot of people always one question. So I'm creating one link. I can disallow the link, but I'm searching the keyword. But link will be visible or not in search engine, they can't visible. Suppose you can copy the URL, paste on Google, that will be visible. When people search will be by keyword, it will can't show by the search engine option. By search by keyword option. For example, I am selecting my website here. Suppose in this particular URL I can block by the robo.txt. Any people searching this keyword, it will block my website link onto Google search engine list. Now it is visible. If anyone searching for by keyword, I'm disallow by the canonical URL, or you can disallow by the robo.txt file. It will be not showing for the search engine list. Suppose I'm blocked. Suppose after block, I'm searching by URL. URL will be visible by the search engine list. By search by keyword, it can't visible by the search engine. When we can using for robo.txt file, the option name is called disallow future. There is a two option. One is allow, second will be disallow things. Now, these two things remember. So how to write the file? Select here user and agent, allow, sitemap. This robo.txt file complete dependent by the sitemap. I'm selecting one of the website is called Sri Gayatri Astrologers who are looking for astral services in Canada. They are providing for best astral services will be Canada location. In this website, how we can write? Copy the URL, paste it, and save the file. Log in cPanel. Before that, we can check the file. Any robo.txt file is there or not. Checking purpose. After .com, you can check for robo.txt file. I'm enter the robo.txt file. Any file is open? No files are open. Reason? There is a website, no robo.txt file. Log in cPanel. Steps are go to File Manager. After login cPanel, go to File Manager. Here, what the option name is called? Right side of the corner. Public underscore HTML. You can click for public underscore HTML. Here, what the option is called? Upload. Any particular cPanel, go to File Manager, public underscore HTML. Any files will be uploaded, public underscore HTML, SEO related common file. This code will be acceptable by the WordPress website, HTML, PHP, same procedure for cPanel users. Any website, PHP, HTML, Drupal, WordPress, anything. If you're using for cPanel, same procedure. Upload, select your file, where our files are here. Upload, and here you can refresh it. So what is the file will be here uploaded. So we can check it out. Save as. Now file is I'm uploading wrong document. Go to here. No, refresh. What is that? Hello, sitemap nothing but how many links of this website? Everything will be uploaded. So if you want to change purpose, go to here. Any changes are required, reload. Here is file uploaded, edit. Here is the option, save and refresh. So everything updated will be properly done. User agent, allow how many site links are there, everything updated by the robo.txt file. How to check? Any website abc.com/robots.txt. Please note down the syntax. This is very important. How to check robo.txt file? It is available or not. Check robo.txt file syntax. Lot of people worry about that. It is only for search by keyword, not for link. Link is always available by the your website. If you can't show that keyword on Google search results, by search will be keyword option. It will be not visible by the Google search results page. That is called SEO will be major option. So now we can follow will be here. This is syntax. Always remember, just I'll show you where you can upload the file. Go to a file manager. In the left hand corner, click for public underscore HTML. Click for upload file, and file will uploaded by the in here. So they will show along with the date also. How many times you change, date will be modified in your particular website. So this is a method we can follow to update robo.txt file to allow your website on search engine list and disable your search engine purpose. If any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be supported. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel.